Where do I find my employer ID number on TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Your employer ID number or EIN is a number that identifies your employer to the IRS. The simplest way to find your EIN is to look on the box B of your W-2. It is a 9-digit number with a dash after the first 2 digits. If you don't have your W-2 yet, you can find your EIN on last year's W-2. That is only if you still work for the same employer. You can also reach out to the department that handles your company's payroll. They should be able to provide you with the EIN. Once you find your employer's EIN, simply type it in and click the Continue button to import or enter your W-2. If you still cannot find your EIN, leave it blank. You won't be able to e-file, but you can still file a paper return. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.